Hi guys, we are at Disneyland in California. That looks scary.
That will be us.
This ride is very famous. Like I saw a lot of YouTube videos that people like doing this ride, but I never dare to do this ride because I hate roller coaster. But my husband told me that it looks not scary and he believed that I can do this ride. I doubt it. I'm really doubt it. It looks scary. I heard people yelling.
Because there's someone in front of us,
It was very difficult for me to decide to do this ride.
No. I want to cry. Can I wear headband or not? I'm so scared.
I think you're, just in case, take it off. Wait a minute.
For your safety, remain seated, hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
Can I hold this camera?
Your kids, if any movement or attacks arise.
Is it recorded now?
Yeah, it's
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
You're so cute. So cute when you cry.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Finally, we're done. Oh my god, I will never do this ride again. So I dared to try the Big Thunder Railroad one time, but I never dared to try this ride. I didn't dare to try it at all. I heard that it is scarier than the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I was so scared, so I told my husband to do it alone, and he would like help me to record the video too. So it has the blue and the red, and they go in the different route.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Please, thank you.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad apretado y mantenga las manos bajo sus pies y piernas abiertas.
It doesn't look scary. I think the blue is less scary than the red. So if you're scared like me, you can try with the blue.